Hi there, if you want to know that if Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra have dual SIM, then here's the answer. The quick answer is yes, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra does have dual SIM. If you go to settings and in connections, you will find the SIM manager where you will find two SIM slots. Here in the SIM card section, here you can see I have just one SIM card, the physical SIM card one activate on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Then you will find another SIM card. There is no SIM card right now on my S25 Ultra. Now if I show you the SIM tray from here, as you can see the tray is here. If I tap on it, this if I push the tray ejector in my tray SIM tray, then you will find the tray here and you will find the two SIM slot here. Here is SIM 1 slot, and at the other side, the opposite side, you will find SIM 2 slots. That's mean Samsung S25 Ultra does support dual SIM. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.